Okay, so this video is for small and medium businesses who want to create their social marketing calendar in minutes. So I will right away jump onto, they will get something like that. So I will right away jump onto the tool which is called AIPRM for ChatGPT. So what this company does is they are prompt engineers, and prompts are instructions which we give to ChatGPT to do some work for you. So you have to do two things. One, you have to install this extension over Google Chrome, and then you have to log into your ChatGPT account. So once you have done these two things, you will have your extension over here on the browser. Once you will click it, you will get something like this. So they have ready templates which are already created with engineered prompts from their company, which will right away help you to create something out of the box. So what we will do is we'll click on this 30 social media posts, and we will keep it emotional, poetic. They have some things, and then we will. My company is into digital marketing, and the name is Imapro.in. Market is Bahrain. Okay, this is the prompt which I have given. Now see the magic. So what they do is they have their prompts which they have already pre-built prompts, and when you give your instructions to the system, to their, they create something professional, and you have a starting line to start with something. So then you can play around, if you like you can change the prompt, whatever. The sky is the limit. So this tool is very helpful, and you have a lot of things which you can just go and play around. So these were my 2 cents, and I'm using this tool a lot. It's a decent discovery of mine, so I'm sharing it with you, and you can use it to create a lot of things. So just play around with it, and if you have some kind of query, just drop me a line. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe because I am on a mission to help small businesses grow using digital marketing. And if you'll subscribe, you'll get the notification of the next video.